Welcome back. Today, as you can see by the title, I am doing a self-portrait today during this quarantine period. So I'm out of breath for some reason. I'm very excited to be doing this because I've been planning this for like a week or so, and the sky has been grey and it's been super annoying that it's been grey, and today the sky is finally blue and I'm so grateful. I was actually inspired by Tessa. She's so amazing.
So these are the pictures that I was inspired by Tessa. Her page is absolutely amazing. Every picture double tapped like 10 times. But I didn't actually realise that taking your mirror outside and taking pictures was actually a trend until like I saw it literally everywhere on my timeline. So yeah, I've kind of jumped on the wave without even knowing, but yeah. So these are the palettes that I have. This is the James Charles palette, which is this one. This is literally my favorite palette. It's such a mess, but I love it so much. And then this is my friend's NYX palette because I think the yellow will be really pretty, or this one as well for dark tones. And then this is my other NYX palette as well. The 16, I think it's 16 shades. But I feel like that orange, oh my goodness, mixed with that yellow is beautiful. And then I've got my Patricia Bright palette as well, which I'll definitely be using. Never say never. I didn't actually realise that you had so many yellows. Like I thought, that's why I had to borrow my friend's one, because I didn't think I had yellows, but I definitely do. So gonna be using Never Say Never, that yellow. I'm gonna use all like the yellows basically, but yeah, I'm pretty excited. So I have started to do my makeup. I've just put on a primer on my eyes, and then I'm using the yellow from the James Charles palette and I'm putting it in the inner corners, and I'm so happy with this pigment. Like actually, I don't really wear, if I wear yellow I wear it with like an orange blend, so I'm not really used to like putting just yellow, but I'm so excited to carry on, so I'm going to do that right now. But I just wanted to show you what it looked like. So I finished my makeup. I feel like I put too much highlighter on because it's just literally like, but I guess the sun's going to be out and it's going to be good. I'm doing my edges right now because they need a lot of help right now, so I'm just using the edge control. This is the one with the I don't know how to pronounce that, PQ oil. And yeah, I'm gonna set them and then we're gonna get cracking. I'm just gonna make my edges super what's the word, super like extra today. Also, I've got this patch on my face, like a light patch. I don't know if you can see, it's super annoying. My hair is super messy. I literally cannot even deal, like at all. I'm gonna take this edge control outside as well, just in case. And yeah, this is, but look, I haven't been looking at the lens, sorry guys. I feel like the sun is going, so this girl, she gotta, you know. I'm just gonna put this on for like 3 minutes just to set it. I'm so happy to how the yellow came out. I'm so happy. It's gonna match the flowers, hopefully. But yeah, so I'm gonna get changed into that top there, as you can see, and we're gonna get started. I've just put on my top and just setting my edges. I'm gonna take them off now, and yeah, I'm all ready to go. My camera, I'm gonna take 3 lenses with me downstairs, and we'll see how it goes. The sun is literally going, so I'm pretty scared. Like, this is so like overexposed. I'm pretty scared to see if the sun is still there, but I'm praying that the sun's gonna be there. But yeah, let me take this off now actually, so you guys can see. Oh, she ain't ready, we ain't ready. So yeah, I'm happy with the edges. There's a mirror there, that's what I'm looking. But yeah, I'll take you downstairs. So right now I am just cutting the flowers and putting them onto the mirror. And then you start shooting. Guys, I've just come inside for a bit because my arms are literally killing me. Like, if you saw like what I was doing,
with my arms. But besides that, I've got some all right shots. I feel like I can get more. It's so like weird to get the angle because it's like the opposite of the reflection, if that makes sense. But yeah, I'm gonna go back outside again and try. It is like I guess you have to get used to it. I'm not sure whether I should be facing the sun or away from the sun. It's pretty like weird. I just got myself one of these Lindt chocolates because I'm super hungry and I just realized that I didn't eat. So I think I need energy like to lift the camera up and to keep like sane, if that makes sense. Keep sane. Guys, I found the angle. I've literally found the angle that I've been looking for this whole time. So now I can actually do the photo shoot the way that I want it. I think that chocolate helped. Joined by Kanara. Say hi, Nara. We're taking some cute pictures. I feel like we're in like a flower field. Yeah, it is I'm literally obsessed with this whole like look. So cute. The end of the video. I really hope you enjoyed this video of me doing a self-portrait. Big shout out to Deborah Iona who helped me with the scarf blowing. Like, I'm so grateful. Thank you guys so much, and I really hope you like got some tips from like how to be creative during quarantine, because as a freelance photographer I feel like I've been limited to what I can do because obviously I can't go out. But I'm really happy how the pictures turned out, and well, I don't know how they've turned out, but I feel like I've got some great shots. I hope you want to see more videos like this and what I do during quarantine, or just how to stay creative and motivated. Let me know in the comments down below. These pictures will be posted on either my, I can't even see, this is super like bright. These will be posted on my photography account or my personal account. It's at Deborah Iona or at Deborah Iona Photography. I'm not sure which one yet, but yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.